Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing of this particular exhibition stall over here. So let's continue it. So now very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be assigning some textures over here. So before that, I'll again go into the material editor. So let's go into the material editor and let's just assign a color over here for this. After that, select this. Let's go into the polygons. So select this polygons over here. So again go into the material editor and we have just assigned this color. I'll assign this directly over here. Select this, go into the material editor. So this tutorial is basically for beginners who are starting up with the exhibition stall modeling and texturing. It's beneficial for them, also for intermediate levels. So let's again go into this video material. I'll again go into this and I'll take a bitmap. So let's go into this and I'll take some textures over here in this way, and let's go over here and give a Uvw map. So I'll slightly assign a Uvw map over here. So before that, again I'll select this, select the polygons, go again into the material editor and let's assign the color to it and isolate this. Select this, select the polygons, again go into this, again take a video material. You can rename this if you want. Again I'll take one more over here and let's give again a Uvw map, set it as a box. So convert to editable poly and inverse it by pressing Ctrl I. Again I'll go into this and let's give a color to it. Again select this, select the polygons. Let's again take a video material, take again a bitmap, assign it. So select the polygons, Ctrl I, inverse. Let's again assign a color to it. So let's just keep on assigning this. I'll again inverse it. Assign a color. So once you're done, after that, I'll again assign a color over here, and with that, I'll select this whole thing. So let's just select this. So again go into the material editor and let's just again assign this. Go again into material editor and we'll just assign the same texture over here, inverse it, and let's again give a Uvw map. I'm sorry, give a color. So for this chairs, let's ungroup this all chairs over here, or we can also say open. We can open this, select this all over here. So I've just opened the group, then you can easily close it again. So again go into the material editor. Let's take a V-Ray material. I'll go into this. Let's give a chrome over here. I'll make it as white. I'll go into the reflection. I'll give a bit of reflection. And now go into the Fresnel IOR. I'll increase this. So if you want to give metalness, you can go with metalness also. And assign it. If you are just assigning a metalness, you can give the metalness also. Slightly increase this IOR also. And the glossiness, if you require the glossiness, you can give a bit of glossiness. And let's assign it. Okay, we need to work with the render setup settings. Yeah, you can give a bit of metalness in this way. So the reflections are very high for the base. For the ground, will slightly reduce those reflections if you want. That can be done. I'll again go over here. Again I'll go into the material editor and let's go into this and slightly reduce the reflections. I don't need that much of reflections. I'll reduce it. Select this. Again go into the material editor. If you want to unwrap it, if you feel that you need to unwrap something, you can easily do that also, not a problem. So I'll again take a V-Ray material, give a color, slight a bit of reflection, I'll increase the max depth over here and assign it. Alright. So you can just save your file once. Alright. So now again I'll go over here, select this, and let's give the same color. So definitely we'll be adding lights also. So select all of this polygons. So I'm creating this tutorial on viewers request. So I'm getting a lot of requests from the people all around the world to create different tutorials. So I'm creating on viewers request over here. So again I'll go over here and let's just assign the color. So just rename this plastic. Alright. So if you rename this, then it would be easy for you to work over here. So select this again, go again into material editor, assign it, inverse, and let's again give the same color to it. Select this part. So this is what your glass is going to look like. So before that, I'll assign the same metal over here. So we have assigned this part. I'll just go down. Yeah, this is what we have assigned. So just name it as metal 2. And for this, again I'll take a VRAM material and let's name it as glass. So if you want, you can slightly give a color also to the glass if required. Let's go into the refract, make it white. I'll increase it IOR to 1.8. I'll give the max depth as 8 over here. And if you want to increase the subdivisions, that can also be done. Let's go into this render setup, and into that I can slightly go down. Use local subdivisions. So if I activate this, then you will get this option over here. Let's make it as 16 over here. Let's apply it. So you can select this. You can close the group. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So we'll be starting up with the lighting part over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.